Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove stuff from your photos in CapCut PC. So go back to the video section here, and there's going to be select AI remove, and you're just going to select the brush, and you're going to basically select the like items that you want to remove. So I'm just going to remove stuff here and there. Then you're just going to select the remove section here, and it's going to basically replace it with kind of like the background of it and try to match it, but that is basically it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. As you can see, it works. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.